At the factory of the Chinese car manufacturing company NIO, they are testing the latest robotic humanoids, which in the future may replace humans. The company also showed the latest technology of how their new sedans will deal with snow. Scientists from China have created a micro-robot that treats scary diseases like aneurysms and brain tumors. Israeli company Blinket has unveiled the world's first wireless charger for electronic lenses and eye implants. These and other high-tech news in one video. Chinese electric car manufacturer NIO is testing humanoid robots on its assembly line to take automation to the next level. The Walker S robots, introduced by UB Tech Robotics, assist in checking the quality of door locks, seatbelts, and headlights, as well as attaching logos to cars. Details of the new robot's specifications are not yet available, but its predecessor was 145 centimeters tall, 4 feet and 9 inches, weighed 77 kilograms, 170 pounds, and was equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery that provided only 2 hours of battery life. The company says this is the first time the Walker S has been used on an electric vehicle assembly line. During testing, the Walker S robot used its real-time image capture and transmission capabilities. With these features, the robot was able to check the quality of door locks, seatbelts, and headlights, as well as apply logos to vehicles. While NIO has yet to make an official announcement regarding a pilot program for the use of humanoid robots, UB Tech Robotics is enthusiastic about the potential of using robots on electric vehicle assembly lines to improve productivity. The company claims on its website that the future of humans lies in human-robot coexistence. But that's not all the news from Chinese car manufacturer NIO. The company showed how the future ET9 sedan will cope with snow. The method of any four-legged friend from absolutely any yard was taken as a basis. NIO has taught its car how to shake off snow. Residents of cold regions face the problem of snow removal, not only in relation to the areas and roads on which vehicles must travel. In just a few hours of intense snowfall, a snowdrift can accumulate on the body of a vehicle. NIO proposes to destroy it due to rhythmic movements of electronically controlled shock absorbers, causing transverse sway of the body. In any case, if there is no one inside the car and all fragile objects are well secured, such a trick should not harm anyone. NIO ET9 should become a premium model of the brand. The cost of this sedan starts at $112,000. If everything goes according to plan, the deliveries of production cars will start not earlier than next year, just in time for the middle of the next winter season. The onboard 900-volt network will allow the car to fill up to 255 kilometers or 158 miles of range in just 5 minutes of charging at an express station. The Chinese have created a micro-robot that treats dreaded diseases such as aneurysms and brain tumors. The magnetic micro-robot can reduce the risk of bleeding from a brain aneurysm and starve a brain tumor. The Softbot does this by cutting off blood flow to the aneurysm or tumor. As a result, the tumor stops growing and shrinks. The robot can block branches of blood vessels that conventional catheters could not reach. The spiral shape provides more control and precision than other methods used to treat these conditions. Tests on vessel models and in rabbits have shown excellent results. Brain aneurysms and brain tumors cause more than 750,000 deaths each year. One of the main treatments is embolization, which is used to block blood flow. However, this method is limited due to the difficulty of steering a catheter through complex networks of neurovessels. In addition, surgeons are exposed to prolonged radiation exposure as the procedure is performed under X-rays. The new robots, however, could be a real revolution in the treatment of these diseases. When tested on a model blood vessel system, the team found that the two robots in the healthy branch achieved a particle blockage rate of 88%. The robots were also tested on the hind legs of rabbits. According to the researchers, 3 weeks after embolization, the robots were still blocking blood flow, and tests on the rabbits' organs showed no inflammation or pathology. Hello Robot has released the third version of its stretch mobile robot arm. The robot has received a rotating 3D camera on top of the mast, designed for perception functions and observation of the environment. The gripper itself has also been updated, which has always been very simple but functional. The Dexterous 3 now promises a more secure grip, as well as visual control of the gripper's fingers, made possible by an integrated 3D camera, while the grip can be quickly changed to a specialized end effector. The robot is designed for research. The company hopes to build a large community of developers who will all work together to make the robot a universal household helper. In the future, Hello Robot plans to open an online meetup app shop where the development community can share skills that users can download and install on the robot. Each user can then customize it with the desired capabilities for their needs. Of the obvious advantages of Stretch can be called its price. After all, $4,000 is much lower than the named by Elon Musk, and probably unattainable in reality $20,000 for a humanoid robot from Tesla. Israeli company Blink Energy has introduced Blinket, wireless charging for electronic lenses and eye implants. This device attaches directly to the upper eyelid, a small microchip connected by a thin wire to a battery, which elegantly doubles as an accessory placed on the user's temple. With Blinket, you can wear smart lenses indefinitely and never remove eye implants because they will automatically charge from your eyelid. It seems that eyes are not only the mirror of the soul, but also a source of energy now. Once your eye implants are charged, Blinket can be easily removed. The technical director of Blink Energy, like a true hero, tested the device on himself and assured that there are no unpleasant sensations, although apparently the external device looks as if its designers were a little carried away with futuristic fantasies. Unfortunately, Blinket cannot be purchased yet, but the company promises to refine its creation and launch it for sale in the coming years. At Green Tech in 2022, Organofarms unveiled Berry, its strawberry harvesting robot, capturing the Green Tech Innovation Award in the concept category. Since then, the company has been diligently enhancing the robot and refining the minimal viable product, MVP. According to Hannah, Chief Communications Officer at Organofarms, the robot's speed has increased, although it has yet to reach its ultimate velocity, which will be fine-tuned during the winter months. Furthermore, Berry now boasts enhanced storage capacity, capable of accommodating 4 crates containing up to 20 kilograms of fruits, 44 pounds, before unloading its cargo. Organofarms is steadfastly advancing the robot's navigation capabilities to ensure seamless maneuverability within the plant canopy, facilitating fruit harvesting while minimizing stem and leaf damage. Our robot can now autonomously transition between rows, a feat it couldn't accomplish upon its initial launch. We are still optimizing picking speed, aiming for 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, per hour, inclusive of all travel time and crate exchanges. Additionally, our battery will sustain operations for 12 hours, elaborates Hannah. We've refined cluster navigation for navigating through tight spaces and improved the picking process, adds Hannah Brown, Organofarms Chief Communications Officer. NASA has announced the recruitment of volunteers for the second annual Chapeya 2 mission. 4 participants will live in a special 152 square meter, 1,636 square feet 3D printed living space in Houston to simulate future missions to the Red Planet. The Mars Dune Alpha complex at NASA's Johnson Space Center is designed to simulate life for future explorers on the Red Planet, with its harsh environment and limited resources. A team is now living and working there as part of the first Chapeya mission. The mission is scheduled to last 378 days, and participants have already completed half of that time. The mission is open to U.S. citizens between the ages from 30 to 55 who are fluent in English and have a master's degree in STEM. They must have at least 2 years of professional experience or 2 years of work experience in a STEM doctoral program and a minimum of 1,000 hours of aircraft piloting. Chapeya 2 is the second of 3 missions planned by NASA for the program. The first began on 25 June 2023. NASA is accepting applications on the project website until 2nd of April. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. We hope you find something new and interesting in this video. If so, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.